What's up, y'all? CJ Moto. I just got some lunch at Raising Cane's. Got about 6 or 8 battery packs in, about 2 or 3 on Truggy and 2 or 3 on Buggy this morning. I'm running grid packs, which is impacts on the front and gridirons on the rear for my Truggy. And I tried to run grid packs also for Buggy, and it felt like crap. So I went over to Ryan Lutz's table. He runs AKA. And saw what he was running, and he had some P1s on there. So I had a set of super soft longwear P1s, which is like perfect for right now. Went out there on the track and the thing felt amazing. So I took a little video clip. It was just like 5 to 7 minute practice round, so I just took a little clip out of that. You could check it out, but it was hooking up real good. So anyhow, we're gonna keep practicing, and I'll keep y'all updated. Hope you're enjoying the video. I hope you liked the one I made this morning. It was pretty fun. Anyhow, peace out. We'll be back here soon. This is just going to be a short little update.
You ever had a dream that you could go do skip you wanna go do skip you could go do skip do skip. You ever had a dream